Hello everybody, myself Professor A.N. Sheikh from Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Shriyesh College of Engineering and Technology, Aurangabad. So today's lecture is Silicon Control Rectifier. So we'll study the basic of SCR. The learning objectives are after this video, student will be able to understand or define the SCR silicon control rectifier and its different mode of operations, different devices available and its applications in our day-to-day life. So these are the learning objectives. Introduction to SCR. So silicon control rectifier we can define as it is a power semiconductor device which act as a switch. So it is a 4-layer PNPN device. As shown in the figure, there are 4 layers PNPN are shown. It is a 3-terminal which named as anode A, cathode K and gate letter G. So these are the 3 terminals as in case of transistor. It having 3 junctions J1, J2 and J3. The symbol of the SCR is shown as it is like a diode, but additional one terminal, that is a gate, is there. So gate is nothing but a controlling knob. So we can control the operation by using this gate terminal. Hence the device is called as the controlled device, or it is a controlled rectifier. SCR is a unidirectional device because it conducts in only one direction. It also known as reverse blocking triode thyristor. SCR has 3 basic mode of operations. So when SCR conducts or it in a circuit, it has the 3 operations as per its characteristics. These are number 1 forward blocking mode, second forward conduction mode, and third one is the reverse blocking mode. Now we'll see the different types of power semiconductor devices available. So first one is the diode. So as we know, diode is a 2-terminal device which having anode and cathode 2 terminals. Next the device came in picture, that is the power device SCR, silicon control rectifier, which having 3 terminals, anode, cathode and gate. Likewise SCR, different devices are available according to the applications, like TRIAC, which having 3 terminals, MT1, MT2 and the gate. Next DIAC. DIAC is a 2-terminal device which named as MT1 and MT2, main terminal 1 and 2. Next is GTO, gate turn off thyristor. Then silicon control switch, that is SCS. This device having 2 gate terminals, gate 1 and gate 2. Next LASCR, light activated silicon control rectifier. When light is fall on the device get conducts, that is LASCR. And last one is the silicon unilateral switch, SUS. We'll see the next power convergence. So there are 5 different types of convergence are there. Number 1, according to the supply, from AC to DC conversion. That device is called as the rectifier. Second one is the conversion of DC supply to the AC, so that converter is called as inverter. Third conversion method is DC to DC, so the device is chopper. And AC to AC conversion, the device is cycloconverter. And last, AC voltage controller, that is the AC regulators. So these are the power conversions which we have to study in further lecture. Last, SCR applications. So we'll see there are number of applications in our day-to-day life. Following are the some of them, like home appliances. In home appliances, mobile battery charging, emergency lamp, etc. There are industrial applications, in medical applications, telecom, security, transportation, commercial application, games and toys and entertainment, utility systems, aerospace, automobile and automotive sectors. So these are the some list of applications but not limited. So we'll stop here. In next lecture we'll see the detailed operation of the SCR, that is characteristics of SCR. We'll stop here. Thank you.